Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video. Foods that speed up metabolism, what to eat to burn more calories.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss, How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
When it comes to losing weight and maintaining a healthy body, metabolism plays a fundamental role. Metabolism is the process by which our body converts the food and drinks we consume into energy. The faster your metabolism, the more calories you burn, even when you're resting. An effective way to increase metabolic rate is through nutrition. Some foods are known for their thermogenic properties, that is, they increase the body's heat production and speed up metabolism. Including these foods in your daily diet can help you optimize calorie burning and reach your health and fitness goals. What is metabolism? Before we get to know the foods that speed up metabolism, it is important to understand how it works. Metabolism involves all the chemical reactions that keep our bodies functioning, from digestion to breathing and regulating body temperature. There are three main components. Basal metabolic rate, BMR, the amount of energy the body uses at rest. Food thermogenesis, the energy required to digest, absorb and metabolize food. Physical activity, energy expenditure resulting from exercise and daily activities. Metabolism can be influenced by several factors, such as age, genetics and level of physical activity, but the good news is that certain foods can increase this efficiency. 7 foods that speed up metabolism. 1. Red pepper. Red pepper contains a compound called capsaicin, responsible for giving it its spicy flavor. This compound also increases body temperature, which speeds up metabolism. Studies show that capsaicin can increase metabolic rate by up to 20% for a few hours after consumption. Consumption tip: add red pepper to sauces, salads or even when preparing meat to obtain its benefits. 2. Green tea. Green tea is a drink rich in catechins and antioxidants, which help stimulate metabolism and increase fat burning. Additionally, green tea contains caffeine, which also speeds up metabolism. Consumption tip: drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. 3. Ginger. Ginger is a natural thermogenic that helps increase body temperature and accelerate metabolism. It also improves digestion, facilitating the absorption of nutrients. Consumption tip: add ginger to juices, teas or use it as a seasoning on meats and vegetables. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds a special flavor to dishes, it also helps regulate blood sugar levels and boost metabolism. Its consumption can help avoid insulin spikes, which lead to fat accumulation. Consumption tip: sprinkle cinnamon on coffee, yogurt or oatmeal for a sweet and healthy touch. 5. Coffee. Coffee is one of the best-known natural metabolism stimulants. Caffeine increases energy production and can speed up calorie burning by up to 11%. Furthermore, coffee improves physical performance, making workouts more effective. Consumption tip: prefer to consume coffee without added sugar or creams to maximize its effects. 6. Lean proteins. Foods rich in lean proteins, such as chicken, fish and eggs, require more energy to digest compared to fats and carbohydrates. This means that the body uses more calories just to metabolize these foods. Consumption tip: include a source of lean protein in each meal to keep your metabolism high. 7. Ice water. It may seem surprising, but drinking cold water can speed up your metabolism. When you drink cold water, your body has to work to heat it to body temperature, which requires more energy. Consumption tip: drink cold water throughout the day, especially before meals, to help increase calorie burning. How to include these foods in your daily life. Including these foods that speed up metabolism in your diet doesn't have to be complicated. With a few small changes, you can start seeing benefits quickly. Here are some practical tips for you to include these foods in your daily life. Breakfast: prepare an omelet with eggs, lean proteins, and add red pepper. Accompany with a cup of green tea or coffee. Snacks: make a green juice with ginger and cinnamon or have a cup of green tea in the afternoon. Lunch or dinner: season meat or vegetables with red pepper and ginger and always consume a good portion of lean proteins. Throughout the day, don't forget to drink cold water, helping to keep your metabolism active even during rest hours. These changes are simple but powerful, and they can make a big difference in how your body burns calories. Speed up your metabolism naturally. Speeding up your metabolism is an effective way to burn more calories and reach your health and fitness goals faster. By including thermogenic foods like red pepper, green tea, ginger, cinnamon, and lean proteins in your diet, you will be helping your body function more efficiently. Keeping your metabolism active is essential for losing weight, gaining more energy, and improving overall well-being. However, remember that diet is just one of the factors. Combining a diet rich in these foods with regular physical activity and healthy habits is the key to long-term success. So, did you like to know how these foods can help speed up your metabolism? If you like these tips, leave your like below, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next healthy eating and well-being tips. Oh, and share this article with your friends and family, so they too can start speeding up their metabolism naturally. Subscribe, like, and share.